Hi scholars and welcome back to your own channel. So I am again here with the biggest surprise ever. जैसे कि मैं कहती हूँ कि डोंट वरी बी हैप्पी, हम लाएंगे बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स. ये चैनल एक होलसम अप्रोच है फॉर द ह्यूमैनिटी स्टूडेंट्स. नो मैटर आपके पास कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, साइकोलॉजी, सोशियोलॉजी, इकोनॉमिक्स, इंग्लिश, सारे टीचर्स आएंगे यहाँ पे. वी विल सपोर्ट यू थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी. सो इसी इनिशिएटिव के साथ, इसी ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ आई एम हियर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग two more educators for you guys. Keep guessing कि वो कौन से सब्जेक्ट के हैं in the comment section below and I'll quickly connect with them and let's get to know them, meet them and see them. तो जो हमारी फर्स्ट एजुकेटर है वो है मिस गायत्री एंड शी विल बी टीचिंग यू इंग्लिश. एंड आवर सेकंड एजुकेटर इज मिस निकिता एंड शी विल बी डीलिंग विद द सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री फॉर यू गाइस. तो चलो जल्दी से मिलते हैं उनसे एंड लेट्स गेट टू नो देम. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Gayatri and Nikita, ma'am. I'm so happy to see you, and I'm pretty sure सारे students काफी excited हैं. So, firstly, beginning with Gayatri, ma'am. Ma'am, please give a brief introduction. Let's connect with the students and let's get to know them.
Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Giri. As Purva just introduced about me, I will be teaching you guys English for classes 11th and 12th. Something about me is that I recently graduated with a bachelor's in philosophy from Lady Shri Ram College, and I'm very excited to be here with you guys. So thank you for having me.
That's so sweet of you, ma'am. Lovely meeting you. Now, let's get on to meeting Miss Nikita and let's get to know her better.
Yes, so hello everyone. I am Nikita, as Purva introduced, and I'll be taking classes for Standard 12 and I'll be teaching history. So, a little bit about myself. I have very recently graduated from Ashoka University with a bachelor's degree in history, and I'm really looking forward to just interact with all of y'all. I'm really excited. Thank you.
We are excited too, ma'am. We can't wait to have you on board. And तो सबसे पहले अगर हम बात करें इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट की, ये ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है कि हर एक स्टूडेंट सोचता है कि इंग्लिश ही तो है. भारी भारी बड़े बड़े शब्द लिख दो आंसर कॉपी में एंड टीचर इंप्रेस हो जाएगी. बस नोटिस राइटिंग का फॉर्मेट याद कर लो और थोड़ी बहुत लिटरेचर यूट्यूब से देख के पढ़ लो, सब हो जाएगा. एक रात पहले सीन सेट है. Is that the approach that you support और कुछ और आ रहा है? क्या अप्रोच है आपकी गायत्री मैम टू टेक अप इंग्लिश एज अ सब्जेक्ट?
Actually, I want to do things a bit differently from how they happen on YouTube generally regarding English as a subject. So usually क्या होता है, लोग summaries and analysis and ये सब करके words देके छोड़ देते हैं, right, subject. But what I want to go for is sort of a more holistic approach जहाँ पे हम किसी भी poetry या prose के हम लोग we look at the backgrounds and the influences which made the piece of literature come to be, and also the importance of that literature which might be there in the scene of English. So yeah, what we will be doing is all of these together with the summaries and analysis, of course, so that you have a better idea of what that piece is actually about.
ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट. अब हिस्ट्री पे आते हैं. हिस्ट्री तो सबको पता है यार, एक बार ले लिया तो थोड़ा रिग्रेट होने लगता है 11 12 में आके कि क्यों, इट्स द लेंथीएस्ट सब्जेक्ट एवर. ज्योग्राफी ले लेते काफ़ी डरते हैं, सब डरते हैं. यही सीन है स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी, प्रिटी श्योर मेरे साथ भी यही था. सो क्या अप्रोच है मैम? निकिता मैम बताइए, आप क्या समझती हैं, हिस्ट्री कैसा सब्जेक्ट है, आपको कैसे पढ़ाना है उसको?
Yes, so as Purva said, people usually have this misconception about history that it's very lengthy, it has so many concepts, it's just a lot to take in and so much of data and you have to analyze all those stats and stuff. But believe me, when it comes to me personally, I associate history, when I first think of history as a word, I remember or I associate it with a narrative, like never ending narrative form. Like who doesn't like stories, right? So what if we actually adopt a new approach and start learning history in the form of stories, like never ending continuous narratives? So I'll be adopting that approach and I would like to teach you guys in the same manner, like not just stats and stuff, but there's a concept involved along with the story form. So that'll make it more interesting.
परफेक्ट मैम, परफेक्ट. तो before coming to an end, I would like to know कि आप दोनों कितना excited हो, and what are you expecting from the students, what do you want, all those expectations, those butterflies maybe, क्योंकि first time है, थोड़ा होता है ना excitement. जब मैंने अपनी first class ली थी यहीं पे, I was so nervous. मैं आधा घंटा पहले बैठ के आके बैठ गई, and then I was like, oh my god, today is my first class. But now when it's been a month and a half या 2 months जो भी, you get used to it. तो कुछ ऐसा है, कितनी excitement है, what are you feeling?
Yeah, so basically, 11th, 12th class students, right? I think they know where they stand and what they are aware of and what else they have to work on. So at least when it comes to that, I'm pretty much sure they will work on their schedules, and I'm just hoping I can help as much as I can in my capacity. And I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to teach. And this is my first teaching experience as well. And then just teaching for like 11th, 12th class kids is just, yeah, it's exciting.
I mean, Nikita put it very perfectly. Actually, I have the same thoughts that teaching 11th and 12th class students, we're actually been in that position ourselves not a very long time ago. So yeah, it won't be a very authoritarian sort of an environment or something like that. Again, I am also a first-time teacher, so yeah, it will be a very chill sort of environment, and we'll do our studies, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it.
Yeah, that is the case for sure, because whenever I am teaching, I never say kids या बच्चास, because I know reply आ जाएगा आप कौन से बड़े हो, stuff like that. And the thing is कि yeah, students are chill, and I think they are more comfortable when we are likely around. ठीक है, तो वो एक environment काफी healthy रहता है, काफी ज्यादा questions पूछने में मजा आता है, और future के लिए references, doubts, everything, that's great. So I am really excited to meet you, and I'm sure the students are too. So that is it. Any ending lines, कुछ बोलना है, कुछ भी you want to let them know?
Yeah, I just wanted to say, like, guys, don't just be scared about history. It's a really easy subject, and I promise y'all, I will make it more interesting, and I will make sure y'all learn all this concepts and themes without getting annoyed of the mere subject itself. Yes, be
Yeah.
excited.
I'm pretty sure. Okay. So everybody, these were your two brand new educators here on Scholars, and I'm pretty sure आप इनको भी उतना ही प्यार और support देंगे जितना आपने हर एक educator को दिया है यहाँ पे. And I'm really happy to announce this to you guys, and we'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, these are your new educators. Don't forget to like them. ठीक है, उनको बहुत प्यार दो, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा warmth दो. They are new, support them, and ऑल्सो इनको लाइक तो करो ही करो, साथ में वीडियो को भी लाइक कर दो, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर टू द चैनल. बाय बाय स्कॉलर्स, वील सी यू सून.